Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, send me your nice comments, but most of all, share and subscribe my videos. I greatly appreciate you guys. Love your comments. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, so you might as well try to fix it. And if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. So what we've got is a later version of the Impala. This is probably about a 2007, I'm guessing. Doesn't really matter if it looks like this. Chevy Malibu, Chevy Impala is going to have roughly the same electrical problem. So we had no rear defroster on the vehicle. So what we did was we quite simply started tracing the wires. I'm not going to get into all that because I think you're going to find this problem down at this joint right here. You're going to take off your trim panel on the side, pull your plug apart. You're going to find that that's more than likely, which I haven't double checked, more than likely your rear view defroster. Now this is a heavy gauge wire, so you're going to want to make sure you use a heavy gauge wire. This looks like about a 12 gauge wire. Make sure you use connectors. Make the connection, just cut it back here. I'm going to show you that because I'm assuming if you can work on electrical, you can probably butt connect things or solder them together and cut it back there, so you're not going to use this any longer. It shouldn't hurt or affect the other things in here, but you want to make sure it didn't melt into the other post and make sure that they're working as well. And then butt connect that together, run a jumper wire, plug the connection back together. The only thing that didn't work in this car was the rear defrost. So hopefully this fixes your problem. Remember, you can't break what's already broken, guys, so you might as well try to fix it. Anybody else can fix it. Anybody else can do it. You can do it too. It's only a matter if you want to. This is Clay. Please subscribe. Please share my videos. God bless you. Have a great day.